Hey folks, it's Jared Mannanen from the website TahoeTrailGuide.com. Today just bringing you a very short tutorial doing some backcountry cross-country skiing. Backcountry, it's pretty thin coverage out today, only a couple of inches on the ground. Off trail, meaning off of regular hiking trails, it's kind of treacherous because there's so many obstacles and things like pine cones, branches, small bushes, rocks, stumps, that sort of thing. So I've been sticking to some of the more established trails because it's guaranteed mostly that there's not going to be any real obstacles on the trails themselves, just because it gets used so much. Even when a pine cone falls on a trail, a lot of people feel compelled to just kick it off, right? With all the foot traffic on these trails, it can be kind of glazed over and icy and crunchy, that sort of thing. So on lower angle traverses mostly, a little trick for you to come to a stop without trying to do some sort of a snow plow or hockey stop or any cool looking stops, just coming to a stop out of safety's sake, right, is basically step turning uphill. So you'll have to be a little bit familiar and proficient in step turning, and you can watch my other video specifically about step turning, but it's just taking quick steps basically to turn the direction of travel. In this case, on a low angle and a traverse, you're going to want to step uphill and just come to a stop that way. Don't worry about trying to fully do a hockey stop or any other kind of skidded turn. Just take some steps uphill. I know it seems pretty obvious, but for a lot of beginners, just not knowing, the improvisational skills aren't quite developed yet. So this is ways in which you can take what you would use in different terrain to another aspect of your cross-country skiing experience. So just learn to be flexible and have quick feet. Anyway, just a quick tip today. Thanks so much for all your support. I totally appreciate it. Like, subscribe, share. Check out TahoeTrailGuide.com. Take care, folks.